Stellar XLM holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Stellar XLM holders, in this video I'm talking about the right now price update of Stellar. What's the price changes occurred in the Stellar XLM? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So first of all, guys, the right now price of Stellar in the market is 0.270988 USD dollar. The price of Stellar XLM are right now still in the decimal, guys. So that's mean that it is a low price coin. Furthermore, if you study the changes update of Stellar XLM, so now last 1 hour update is positive 0.2%, except of last 1 hour, except of last 60 minutes, the previous update is completely going in the loss, going negative, guys. Let me show you price chart of Stellar. Oh my god, you can see it, but for some time you can see it like that and like that, guys. For some time now, in the last 60 minutes, the price of Stellar start pumping. Otherwise, you can see here a surprise jump. I call this a surprise jump, guys. So very good changes occur in the Stellar XLM, guys. I'm very happy to see these changes, guys. Anyways, guys, now possibilities due to this pump that the price of Stellar XLM will pump highly, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your update about Stellar? Please also share in the comment box. And if you talk about the changes on negative 3.37% changes occur in the Stellar XLM, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.